So I bought a new toy. I got a Blackstone 28-inch griddle, 2-burner, and we are about to season it. So as you can see right now, the griddle is kind of a grayish color. When I get done seasoning it, it's going to be a lot darker, almost a black. And we'll be using the Blackstone griddle season grease. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your surface is clean. Do not use water. That's kind of what we're trying to prevent, is any kind of rust from building up. I just used a paper towel, kind of wiped it all down. I'm here in El Paso, so it was pretty much covered in sand, so I had to get all the stuff off of there. Now I'm going to light the Blackstone. All right, here we are lit. Keep it on high for about 15 minutes. So here it's been about 6-7 minutes. You can see how the discoloration is already coming through. Just letting it get good and hot before I start putting the seasoning grease on it. You're gonna need a spoon. You get about 1 spoonful of the griddle grease. Place it on the griddle. And you're gonna use a set of tongs with some paper towels to rub it all in. Every corner, every wall, everywhere on your Blackstone to get it good and seasoned. So here we are again. It's been almost 15 minutes, and then we're going to start adding the grease to it and covering all the surfaces. Like I said, not only just the cooking surfaces, but the walls, the backboard, everything, and everything will go out that grease trap right there, and it'll be caught inside that grease tray right there. It is definitely hot. Here's my view while I'm here in El Paso. The patio overlooks the mountains. Very nice. One more thing I forgot. When I start putting this grease on this hot griddle, don't be alarmed. It is going to smoke a lot. And you're going to repeat that step 3 to 5 times until you have your griddle seasoned the way you think you want it. All right, here we are. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get my grease here. And I'm just gonna take about a spoonful. About yay much. That's about it. So this jar, being 15.3 ounces, should last a long time. And you're gonna do this after every cook. You'll clean your griddle, and then you go into re-season it. But you don't need to do it 5 times. 1 should be plenty. Oh yeah, that's melting away. Like I said, it's gonna smoke. But it's all right. It's supposed to. So get it covered everywhere. Don't leave any unseasoned spots. Every spot you leave unseasoned is a spot that rust can occur at. You'll find places where it pulls up too. Get those places and move that oil around. You don't want it to pull up in one location. Right. Gonna let that cook for a few minutes and we'll do it again. Now look at it. Good and black. It's got a light film of oil still on it, or grease, what you want to call it. That should help make it a non-stick griddle. All right, got my grill already good and hot. I got some hamburger meat. Basically just 1 pound of hamburger meat with 1 egg and however you want to season it. I'm gonna make some burgers for my first cook on my Blackstone. Let's try this out. Burger press. Oh, nope, that wasn't supposed to happen. My first cook, I did say that, so. Yep, we got some learning to do. Harry, don't use this one. I'm gonna keep it running because it's funny. Alright, I'm going to attempt to flip them. This one's going to be a mess up, I know, because it's all broken to pieces. Trying to piece that back together. Maybe the cheese I put on here in a minute might hold it together, I don't know. Pull this off here in a minute. I'm going to add some cheese to go on top of it. I'm going to try this one too. You know, it's like in 3 pieces. It'll be alright. Let that cheese melt for a few minutes. Oh yeah. They're coming off. That cheese kind of held that together. Alright, not the best, but my first attempt on the Blackstone. So we'll get better at it. We'll see what happens. Not the best, but my first attempt on the Blackstone. So we'll get better at it. We'll see what happens. And now we're done cooking. We get to clean the grill. Alright, so the grill's clean, so now I'm gonna put some more grill grease on it. I'm going to use, again, paper towel. Just want a thin layer all around it. Well, I'm going to pick it up. I think it's about to start raining here.